Lawyers of Reddit, how do you argue without crying? Story 1. I've only cried once during a sentencing hearing when I was a prosecutor. It had to do with a mother selling her 11-year-old to a bunch of men. But the rest of it, you save it for before or after. Typically, you get angry or anxious or worried during hearings, not teary. Story 2. It's less about crying from the running the case argument, and more about the stress and sadness of the subject matter. But for the most part, cases aren't two lawyers having a heated argument with each other. They're just factual legal submissions, often aggressively delivered, to try convince a judge or jury to favor their side. Story 3. Law school teaches you to only care about the facts and not so much the emotions surrounding it. Once your brain is trained for a legal formula, it's easier to argue without being affected by emotion. Plus, eventually you become cynical and numb, and most stuff doesn't bother you anymore. Story 4. My husband is an attorney for family law and does a fair deal of cases involving child abuse. He doesn't cry during argument, before or after. He just never sleeps.